So what you see here is me showing you an example how I do my Bohemian style braids, knotless braids. This is not a detailed video. This is just kind of a little insight on how I do them. If you guys want a detailed video, definitely let me know and I will definitely make that. But what I'm doing basically is taking my client's extension hair and feeding it into her hair towards the bottom. And then after I put my 3 pieces in, I do add my curly piece in. That allows me to basically blend this in seamlessly. And then it also allows the client, let's just say when those curly pieces get tangled and she's still going to hold on to her braid, she can just cut the side and it comes right out without damaging her braids. And so, yeah, basically that's what I'm doing. I'm showing how I do my clean parting and also how I move really quickly. I have my daughters, they help me braid. They braid just as good as me. And then I also am particular about my parting. My parting is, to me, what really makes the braids. If your parts are neat, your braids will be neat. And then my favorite braiding gel that I actually got into is actually the olive oil edge control. I used to use my shine gel a lot, but I noticed that when it comes to these feed-in braids, especially the knotless ones, the olive oil edge control just works so great. It gives you enough stiffness to really blend the hair in, but it also gives you that nice shine to make the braids look neat. And what I love about it the most is that it blends the length of the client's hair in seamlessly with the extension hair. So you don't have to worry about any short pieces sticking out or anything like that. It just looks really, really good. So basically that's what I'm doing. Just showing you guys that technique over and over again so you can kind of see. And I pre-part all the time when I do these braids, regardless if I'm doing Bohemian or the regular style, just because it allows me to speed up. You know, I think a lot of times when you're particular about your parting, that can really slow you down, is making sure those parts are neat. But if you pre-part, it just allows you to speed up pretty quickly. You guys know this channel was initially for my beauty industry, so I do like to still post those beauty videos in along with my pregnancy videos. So I haven't really posted my pregnancy videos yet lately because I have been working a lot. If you guys see, with me being pregnant, I do sit, but anyways, I still enjoy doing hair. I enjoy it a lot. I am very, what I want to say, very professional. And I want to always make sure my clients get exactly what they're paying for. And again, I am hard on myself to make everything look really neat. So this client was doing more of the braids with the blonde highlight. So what I did was mix and match each row with her highlights that did transition from the dark roots to the blonde. And then the second row was the all blonde curly hair. So basically that's what I'm doing. And on this part of the video, I'm just showing you how I do my parting. So basically I go through, part regular, get it as straight as possible your first time. And then you're going to put your edge control gel on there to basically help you clean it up as neat as possible. Especially when you have clients who have just a little bit more softer hair, it just really helps you get those good parting. So again, you braiders out there, I'm telling you right now, if you haven't tried the edge control by olive oil for these braids, it works amazing. And especially if you're braiding for soft hair like this, it just, I used to use the shine gel all the time, but for some reason it's so hard to find in the store lately. And I was like, well, I'm gonna try something different. And when I tell you, I have fallen in love with this gel. This is my new braiding gel, like forever. Now I can say most of the times I use about 2 tubes on each head. So, it can be a little pricey. It would be nice to find a big one, but whatever, it's worth it. It just makes the braids look really neat. So yeah, but like I said, if you guys want a detailed video, I definitely would do that. My business business is posted on Facebook.com/dare to be different. It is dare, the number 2, BEE, and different. And you can see like all my pictures, everything like that on there, as well as my tutorial videos of showing everything that I do and how I do it. And yeah, so yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I just wanted to show you guys this and hope you enjoy.